on making my cutting board for woodworking. I'll work on ripping the boards on the table saw, and then yeah, I hope I can at least get through most of the steps.
Mr. Welch showed me how to cut the wood properly, safely, and slowly. Then from there, me and my friend Levi, we had planned the wood, which is just shaving off a tiny little bit over the top. And then from there, we had simply went over here and glued up our project together so we can make a nice little cutting board. After high school, I would like to be an architect. The best things I've learned in this class is how to properly use tools and how to safely use them, because I feel like that will really help me later in life. And I chose this class to really let my creative juices flow and to do stuff that I wouldn't be able to do elsewhere.